Is that laundry? Is that pipe? Wow, look at that. I've never seen that before. Yeah. What's that? Yeah, JJ. Ow. Auto and Western Star and a Mixmaster. Yeah. Couple. Mac and a... Oh, he tried. What the heck is that thing? You have a horn? Yeah. What kind of truck is that? Yeah, look at the pipe on his tow truck. I like these old Fords. You don't see too much. Oh, one of his horns broke. Yeah. Still sounds good though. These guys were sitting at the light. I'll try to get them too, but I don't know if they're gonna honk or not. Aw. It's not working. He reached for it. He tried. It must not work. Yeah. Foul. See if he'll honk. Yeah. Yeah. That's loud. Don't think so. He never does. Yada stuff here. I don't think anyone's gonna honk though. Yeah, Romano. Yeah. Oh, you're not looking. Who is that? Is that nuts? Huh, it is nuts. In a row here, I got the laundry truck with the killer pipes and a Cabover boom truck. That truck's used for. Here Peterbilts, and then we got JJ, and there's a Sterling. I don't know who the Sterling is. Wow, you were going really slow. You definitely loaded. I've definitely never seen that truck before. Oh my god, dude. Damn. Oh, here he is. Quad horns. for a trucking company. Yeah, I'm not sure. John Williams truck. Oh my God, listen to that. I have no idea what kind of truck this is. Oh my God, it's like a 70s Peterbilt. Hey, honk the horn. Come on, under it, under it. Do it. Come on, Peterbilt. Oh, man. Wow, that's loud. Get more? No? Yeah, Cascadia. This old Mac. Oh, blowing coal. Blowing coal. Under. No? Dang. That's old though. Oh my God. Yeah. We got Peterbilt racing oh God. Oh God. Oh no, not international. Pretty sure this guy will honk. I've seen him before. Yeah, Evans. Yeah, I've seen this guy before too. We got pipe hauling all the sides load and Peterbilt. A Sterling and a Columbia. I think that Sterling's got a mini loud thingy. He's got a mini loud thingy. Why are the Sterling mini loud thingies always foul? The old International. Not one of the screwed up horn ones, it's just like one of the 90s ones. Yeah. Wow, what kind of horn was that? Whoa! Yeah, got the bad horn? Yeah, the FLD. Not. What is it? I'll try to yeah. Right. Bulldog Mac with a pin on it. Wow, look at that Western Star. Well, it's got a 50-50. You could have air horns or you could have a mini loud thingy. Let's see what he's got. Yeah, mini loud thingy. And International, old one. Another DOT truck. Oh, that's pretty nice for an International. Okay. Propane truck. I don't think this guy ever does it though. I've seen him before. Yeah. We got a couple here. We got Kenworth and a. Yeah. This old truck. Damn it. T800. I don't know what kind of model this is. Hey, you got good ones. Wow, that was foul though. Barely even hear it. I wonder if I can just wave at this one and see if it does it. Okay, J brake on that western stuff. Alright, well, it's dump truck. Good one. Thank you. What is that? It's like a dump truck. Mac. Why haven't we allowed thingy? Some of those old international. Oh no, I think this is the one that's got the funny horn though. Thank God he had the normal horn. And there's something sneaking up behind that. Behind that piece of garbage. I can't see what it is. Oh, it's a further. I'm holding. Oh God. Dang it. Look at the pipe on the side. Barely even started the iron pump and he did the horn. That Ace Hardware. Look at this freaking ketchup and mustard Cascadia. Here we go. No. Southbound T2000. Convoy of Coda and Coda trucks. Oh well, just two of them. Well, there you go. No. You going? Huh? No. That's a Mac. That's pipe for it. Yeah. No. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's get this party started. There's a T660. Not really getting much, yeah, so I'm gonna take what I can get. Green dump truck. I've never seen this guy before. Yeah. This guy up probably not. Nope. Yeah. We got a cluster here. Box truck, dump truck. Yeah. And there's a something bobtailing. I think it's a Western Star. Oh yeah, that box truck didn't have a standard. Train on our Western Star! A Classic and a Sterling. Sterling's hiding behind the Classic. Alright, I got nice pipes. Yeah. Oh, nothing! I know for a fact this guy's got a train horn, so fuck yours. Here we go. Those old internationals. I really like to know what type of model this is. What this is called. the Rhine Bulldog, and there's a Peterbilt. I just gave him like a cross arms and he did it. Like, oh, Peterbilt. Oh. Are you one of the ones that do it? Yeah. Ow. Man, another W900. Don't mind seeing these. Woo! We got a classic, it looks like. No, FLD. Got one out. I'm not going to be able to get him, but he's looking. He didn't do it though. He looked right at me. He didn't even do it. Might be a loud one. Yeah. Oh, never mind. I really thought he'd have some train horns on that. International. We got one. Yeah. Now look at this. Pete racing to Pete. What the heck is that? Oh, it's a Western Star. Yeah. It's not bad. On a Friday in New Hampshire, you gotta take what you can get. No? Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here comes the dump truck with the train horns. Mr. Rhymes. I love the ones I don't even have to do anything. Got a sick W900 coming. Might have a train horn actually. Yeah. Oh, I had the Freightliner horn. He gets 2 thumbs. Yeah. Okay. Get that Western stuff. Get a Western. Oh! That thingy! That thingy! Yeah! Peterbilt, we're all set, Peterbilt. Holy smokes, track central! Volvo. Too bad the Peterbilt didn't do. Oh, is that Charleston? Weird looking Convoy. Yeah, huh? Yeah. Oh man, there's a really sick Pete hiding behind that piece of garbage. Oh my god, look at that Peterbilt pinball. Look at that Pete. Woo! Getting a lot of good trucks today, I tell you that. Oh. There's a portable parking lot. Western Star. Yeah! What the heck is that? That's pretty nice. Oh, it's an LT. Got a Peterbilt. On livestock. Wow! What is that? Oh, it's a Kenworth. Oh, you're trying to... Yeah, the normal Freightliner horn. Yeah. Western stuff. Yeah. Oh, I almost didn't get the camera ready. The record button wouldn't work for some reason. Another truck coming too. Looks like a Kenworth. Alright, there's a Peterbilt. Dang. Oh my god! Look at that 1960 Mac! Oh my god. That's an autocar! An autocar! Oh! There's a Peterbilt. Other people have boat horns, but I couldn't get them in time. Do you have one? No? God, there's a fire truck. You don't see that on the interstate very often. Woo! Alright, looks like we got a propane truck and a Mack. It's a Mack. And a Volvo coming. And there's a FLD, I believe, with him. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah. Really need to fix your pickup. Whoa. Yonked way the hell down by the freaking exit. And, oh, look at this one. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Dang it. Wow, that's a strange Peterbilt. Wow, what the heck are you? What the heck? What the Freightliner cascading a trick down to an RV? Here we got an oversized load heading south. Wow, what the hell are you carrying? Wow. Giant cylinder. Little Freightliner with horns. Oh. Thank you. Oh, this is gonna be loud. Oh.